Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be making a small snail out of a couple of ball bearings, a few spanners, and that's about it. It's not going to be one of the normal garden snails, it's going to be one of them sort of more elongated snails, just because of what I've got here, just to make it look how I want it to with the parts that I've got to make it with. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Let's get cracking. So first up, I'm going to start with the spanners. I'm going to leave the ball bearing till a bit later, so just need to cut the ends off, obviously, to make the rings, grind them down to make sure they're pretty much circular. This bit, I'm just going to, where I've cut it, it's going to be a bit not as nice as it is there, like. So that will be at the bottom, so you can't really see it. Alright, let's get those cut off. Don't forget the goggles. So yeah, now I just need to round that off. So I might not do the top one, I might make that square so it sits on there properly. Actually no. So yeah, I'm just going to round that off there now, make it look more like the rest of it. A bit of vice for that, because I don't know if you can see that, but I'm actually getting some smoke off of that. It's a bit hot. I will leave that in there while I weld these in, because that's probably the best way to go. So I'm just going to slot that in there for the last hoop. Making sure I might put it in a bit of an angle, actually, make it give it a bit more character. Well, it's a bit hot again, as always. So it's, I think we've got to try that. change of plan because I want to put kind of, they do have like, it comes up a bit fat, doesn't it? So I'm going to put this ball bearing on here, and then I've got some split pins which I've found, and I'm going to use them to make the little eye bits. So let's get cracking on doing that. Not sure how high up I want to go with these. Not too high. Cut those off, I think. Probably going to burn myself. About having these, well, I guess he's pretty cute, is he? I don't know. I quite like it anyway. Hope you do too. Hit me up in the comments if you do.